เทียทักกิลองเล่เพลังอลามเฮลุลำกิกเทนายลุไปในภายในเก็บอันนี้กังซัมปอร์ไฟกิทำมาปอร์มาลอมพูโลเนียฮาวเวิร์ดโลริงทิปี police station อังกังตาราบาซาเบนจามินารองจิร์ซองตารัวเฮมาลองลองเล่อลามเกียบุทักเพรังเกียไม่พาสิพูโลเนียฮิตยาดงเฮดเกโดปัตตาดักนัมเบอร์พารุฮินีระสิร์เก็บรัตรอกลองมอนดลตุมลองเล่หอยนอนปูอันตาทักปีเปเรกอจอกลองเล่กะจิที่อลามกิกลางฮามโลเกดามตังสุริคริสิร์เก็บระพอเก็บระฮินีอันนิงกานาหุดKarbiang Long District Council abarim CEM Karlitang nihang rong para long le Puloni Circle along Dag number Pokebre isia long le dolo laso along le along nihang rong para mena along le Chelang ji mate ka chehon ja por kavede da jok Sukuram rong par ajir po aphansi laso along le along Palang chari ji aphan pado bomlo mate pahon bomlo bonta ajak dinglo ya phike long le ka cherai de ji aphansi Sukuram timonga bangke bor ithu rong puta pachini Sita long leke lang pimate long leke hon kacepadok pialar nihang rong parabang. Aning kang sampen pan pokep mate 50% sukuram timunga pan pek pondelo lapen pan pokep mate achetim 50% ke nihang rong par asupi banghini. Indira rong par pilapen moina rong par pia tuma pan si hodailo. Lapen mondol lapen council kachari ke theki dingatum dak number. Harohini rasir kepra truck aduya hoy non pupiniar nianta ke thak pipeda joksi. So along le alamki klang nang roklo lasi dak number parohini raser kebra troke indira rong par pil pen moina rong par pia tomalong le binong veklo lasi sukuram timonga tom abangta lakini tomalong le pusi chikrong don bor idet abangki chok chedet poputa indira lapen moina atom birta nang pachini don Puloni pen budho singh hanse reports news fast Karbiang Long
thak pamelo order nang li tom phan nang no tang paklang lo dak ta chok lim lo lang tum pukin na 60-70 years pe ni tum si kheti claim bom nang tu ge pilo non sin nang chon nang hek pu 60-70 years len sukuram timung do tike ni tum thang problem we alang phan si palang vel lo caretaker prote akam lo ke lang sari la pe ni li pai tum da bi hek lang pot la pen he o office ta me sakuri claim asi la pu pir the ke nang le de lo ni li pai pu 1992 tara basa hawa nang le dan se ke claim lo sita la so pian keก็จะเคลมเพื่อลังตุ่มนั่งปีเปเดียจีกับไทยล้อละสปอร์ตนี่ลิตุ่ม through aero หอยแฟนหลังหอย official procedureกันนี่เคลมสิลงลิตันทักปะเมล everything is genuine ระดับสิตันนี่ลิตุ่ม jobordasti สิบุหงชาร์โวเป็นกันนี่ลิตุ่มฮาระดับตุกคอลดังนึงเตนี่ลิตุ่มพัน officially demarcate นั่งคุริปีปะเมลนั่นอันสินี่ลิตุ่มเสตุกคอลดังจีลาล้อละเป็นลังลิตุ่มที่ปูนี่ห้างรองผ่านนี่ลิตุ่มจีนี่เนี่ยakhirnya pak tada dah kuat pak tada dak nang tak tepu sini tumpan nang excuse in ton sop ni hang rong parliament tak apan tak ni hang rong par si alang li tum apu pan gel dak chona mupen Karbiang Long hawar kewan ajir po pusi athema nili phuge ni hang rong par ke ha chona muk hawar si school ga charli lp school be ko lapen sukuram atum hem si sukuram son of boholai timu alang li hem si chona muk long ke do lapen haladak Karbi ahemphu selang dodun lo athema hala sot ke 1930 som ke Karbiang Long hawar ke school tawe nasi Karbiang Long so do an wianta kampur jomnamuk nugaon si charli dam nang nasi hala sot hadak si dodun lo api Karbiang Long district long lo si sukuram timu ajir po phan da siwan lo Karbiang Long hawar puluni hawar alang li ta to kholadim papalang toy lo atumu ke lahan lo si alang litum pan nilitum la so prangta alang litum pan 35 because so say la so non ka horisai dak number 51 opposite hapu the 35 because pielo la pen la so non nilitum dak number 51 ke 49 because something do alang li pan si ka pa ong lo 50% long le pidelo 24 because tin ko tha 17 lusas ke sukuram timung family tum pan si borsing borpothar la pen kangbura timunga family tum phansi alang tu tum phansi ka paong lo ka paong ta sita lang litum mange kachirai labji phansi aning ka hak se everything is clear document la se prabjin pen nili
demarcation has not been done till now according to map we know our boundaries one is highway another one is Jugas Khaklari the harvest shop and another one is Uttam Das Seal and we don't know the behind the Timung side, we don't know the exact boundary. Now on 8th of July, with ARO and all the settlement officers, I mean all the staff, we went to the ground for the survey. We did the survey, and then they have measured the land, and then it came out around 28 bigas, approximately 28 bigas, 27 point something, but like say 28 biga approximately. But R is like 24 biga according to our patta. 24 biga, 4 quotas, 16 lusa. So that after the survey, ARO has sent the report to the joint secretary, and from there the order was supposed to come. Whatever order, whoever favor it is. So till then we're not supposed to touch the land. And even Joint Secretary, ARO, and all the officials, they told us directly that nobody will touch the land, touch the disputed land unless the order comes. But on when we went, 1st of August, when we went to the ground, we got information that they are sowing the paddy in your land. So we went, and then there were like hundreds of people. Then we went to stop them. Then police also came. Then they even pushed the police and whatever, I don't know, whatever conversation they had with police, and after some time police just left off. But we were still there, and they had we had some heated arguments. And surprisingly, to my surprise, Gambura is a village head, and the Sarkarigo Gambura, both were like literally involved in this disputed land. According to me, even in Arunachal Pradesh, we have Gamburas, okay, and these Gamburas are from the British colonial. They started from by the Britishers. Why? To look after the village. These Gamburas are the ears, nose, and eyes of the district administration. Whatever problem.
Tumhan timung hema family tumhanta apen nili pai pen nili pesa 40 bahini nyang rong parsu pila tumhanta 24 bighas sari kotha 16 lusa nang pialo officially ke stop nang thaklab lo pata ke sita halada land demarcation na bangsi nang non pini anianta nang kuri ridal masini litum a hoi chi da lo masi occupy dam no daklo na so lang cholo masi jong se prabjin pen demarcation nang kuri pilo adu hoi hima somcha nang kuri pilo pulote ansini litum chi occupy dam
and hala sonan tum la so
hoklo la bangke nilitum in fact nilitum la dak apatan da do patai thido patai dingdo la pen nilitum han dak council pen longle so case thakon ko order da do la pen la son thak si ko kini non bangke nang thak eta phi officially nang thak phi non bang hala so a hima long ta land demarcation kuri ta monpu order da do hima somcha phan final order lo hala da athima la apata nang thak chot bangke officially nang thak chot bangke ili adu hoi chi chi ne ek bigha along le do lo so tipul la puto nang thak ne ha puto nang thak ne ke officer source nang thak ji hala bangke ko dak antong hadak tele dam pune 3 himas ke chini lo ne to dala pu hi na da hoi ves na bang sini tum chi sini ko dak antong le dam ji ne li me thang se to kholo pute abc to kholam ja da thek mate kom cha da thek la ke official ga li lo me thang se claim bangke sita 3 sides bang ne to ma hoi chi chini lo la pen non het jong for le na tangka ta nilitum silong lo thema nilitum hello jinu no na lo pote hada dak number 296 originally la ke dak number 51 lo la whole 49 bighas something ke la se asong mong pen nang thak tu lo chitim nilitum phan ma dak ki mi sinang pi lo 296 lo la se 296 3D list on the check lo plote la non la land compensation about foreign atang kalong pot nilitum nindarang rong phat pi pahal dak pura tok me clear do tapen alang litum bangke dak 51 bangke aprang ke dolo te ma highway na sita nang thak de ta phike nilitum bangsi 296 se highway ke dang nilitum phanang pilo alang litum bangke hapu rong lo si pek lo dak 51 ke klang onde the ma alang tum bangke hapu si ke pek arlo na kurna be rong na se alang litum ke long le da lo for le na tangka ke sita nilitum bangke chelong lo officially everything is clear about si tarna hele sita kityata chingrum pet po hala so 2007 8 9 alom sita kityata demarcation paturi long le da tik la timung hemasor tumbang aprang politician tumhan sumrong hang la hui tumhang lang tu phone kuri po stop check it pini ke lang pena dik pula la ben mat se nilitum nonanta a hoi hal da pulong pa mi dat mat se sk mondol tum ben aman nilitum a hoi chi chi dat lo sa record เต็งเป็นสิทธาบุฮีลองเป็นแม่มุงคันลองเช็คตามรูปรถเต็นนิลิตุมจินี่นิลิตุมพันอัปตาดักนบอร์นังกิปิกิ296ล้อนิลิตุมพาร์มันเป็น296กับผู้ national highway ก็ได้along เลยก็ละดักละพูลุนีบจาร์ along มาล้อวีไซน์นะกูน่าเบอารอง along นั่นสิอีกก็ national highway ล้อละเป็นละโซดุงisi side na bangke la ke kosari tu malong le baklari tu malong le la pen ha ihi na bangke bengali tu malong le three side bangke ni le tum chichi ni lo sita hala pu ki juda na da side hala side pli ke chok na bang se west side na bang se ni tum chichi ni da lo kan athema la hoi ke akam ke sk mondol tum si nang pun pi nang ji ni le tum me thang le ke pun si ahima che paklang che pakke nge kam le ke cheng si ke halang tum sarkar pe nang thak lo te hala tum si land and revenue staff tum se nilitum pan nang pun pc an si nilitum da che do kholam thakji se 2007 2004 se la da nilitum pan me di pata nang ka thak ho ka che salam la porte ba ni tum nang thak lo council pen 2004 6 12 2004 la da ka tok do se ta nilitum la akhajanan da chipi bom lo piniar ni an tax mokha do an ta everything is clear nilitum se ta along le bang nilu phana pun pi pede na ma demarcation ang kuri re ka ma nilitum occupy dam no dak lo non ta na se prabjin pen nili hin pen ka chuning rige in the name of nihang kali tang nihang rompar inot karbi hem prek nang kewan pie bang lo district nang kewan pie bang lo rusem son singing ti tum pen chi song rap pe da bang lo for singing ti kali tang for singing ti first cm of karbi ang long pen claim rap pe da bang lo na se la hoi alang lutum am hang lang ra la ni hang rong phan ni li phu phan stame la prap jin pe ni li tum phan justice ke long je phan si ni li ake hai dr tuliram rong hang phan sami ni li media hoi pen sami alang li phan la so alam chi pi lo ni li tum long an documents do la thang officially everything is okay thang documents ni tum ai kom awe thang ta everything is ka ni li tum phanang pulo beauty timung pi alang li mangge la sukuram timung asupi bang lo tangbura timung asupi lo la alang li bangke pulo jeni li tum han patta noklia patta siga ulai se ke ne pu jong sini li tum jong si noklia patta sini tum
report is given. So please read, please do some research, because Nihang Rongpar was just not a normal people. He fought for the district, for the Karbi district. He was the general secretary of Karbi Adarbar.
1948
Yeah, 1948-49. So it's written here. So please, let's not disrespect them. Okay, let's not disrespect them. So Sarkari Gambura, I would request you, please know the matter properly before you get involved. You yourself so much like in this. So right now, what I want to say is demarcation, the land demarcation. This has to be done. We are not trying to snatch some others, anyone's land here. We're not interested. We just want what's there in our paper, what's Nihang Rongpar, our grandfather has left for us. We only demand that only. If we want to do like them, we also can do forcefully, we can occupy. But we are the law-abiding citizen. We don't want to fight. We just want authority to hand us over lawfully. That's all we want. So please, the demarcation, they said demarcation has done, demarcation was never done. We know the three sides of our boundary. One is highway, another is Jugas Khaklari, and another one is Uttam Sil Das. Now, when survey was done, there are one Timung families, I don't know who the name. We didn't measure that part. We left that part, and after that only we measured. Okay, but now since they are so violent and so arrogant, instead of telling them again and again that not to touch our land, they are still so provoking. They're still they just don't listen to anyone. So what we want now is we want to do according to the map. If according to the map, then our land is from Jugas Kaklari is that shop, the hardware shop, is our boundary. So we want authority to demarcate from that itself, measure from itself, that itself, and whatever comes in between, evict. We demand for that only. So when survey was done, we left that part, but then now demarcation is done properly, officially. Please do officially look at the map and do demarcation. So this is our request. Actually, whenever the demarcation notice comes, someone from up call them up to stop it. So that's why always there was a delay. I don't want to mention the name of that politician earlier, those in 2006 and 7 and 8 and 9. But we know the politician's name, but I don't want to mention here. So every time it happened, officially the paper will come out, but then verbally it's always stopped. It never happened.